Hey everyone, welcome to TechScale. So I'm back with another video. Today we're going to install the very awesome Pixel Experience Plus for our Poco F1. Trust me, this is one of the best looking custom ROM out in the market. Like, it's the most stable and free from bugs and all. So let's install it. So number one, let me tell you that right now I am on Awaken OS, and if you people are interested how this ROM looks like, the link is in this I button over here. You can just check it out. So number one thing for the people who are already on Pixel Experience Plus, so what you have to do is you have to go to the settings and you have to, number one, remove the security. You have to keep it to none, and if you have logged any app, any app, just remove the lock. Otherwise that app will be like everything will work, but that app won't be, like, you cannot uninstall it, right? So you please remove the app lock if there is any app locked, and you can just flash it on the already available build. I'll tell you how. For the people, let's do a clean flash, because otherwise the ROM might end into boot loop. So number one thing that we're gonna do is boot into TWRP section by pressing the power up and volume button both at the same time. As soon as the phone vibrates, we will be in the TWRP section, just like this. See, come on, yeah. So we are on the TWRP section. So we'll swipe to allow modifications, and as always, keep your data backed up, otherwise you might end up losing it. So I'll go to this wipe section. I will press on format data, and I'll type here as yes, since there is nothing in my phone, so I can happily wipe it down. So as soon as it gets wiped out, we'll just reboot it and again press the volume up and power button, and it will again land to the TWRP section. So the standard procedure is very much similar. So I'll even give the timing from where the actual video is getting started, just in case you people are getting bored. So that's how now, as you can see in the install section, we just have one folder over here, and let's quickly copy the ROM file in the phone, and I'll meet you on the install screen, and the ROM file's link is in the description here. So the ROM file is successfully copied, and I'll click on install, and I'll click on this file, and we will swipe to confirm flash. So this will take around about 5 minutes, and let's talk about something else. So this is one of the best looking custom ROMs, and I mean by best looking, what I mean is that this is the most stable, most useful, and most download the ROM that is being most downloaded for our device. So this is that Pixel Experience project, and just kudos to the developers of this ROM. Apart from this, if you are enjoying this video, if you find this a little bit helpful, do subscribe to the channel, because that will help me in growing the channel and making more videos for you. And if there is any question that is unanswered, ask me in the comment section, or just head on to the Telegram channel or on the Discord server and ask me. That I'll happily answer everything for you people, and link of both of the channel as well as the server are in the description. So let this ROM get installed, if anything bad happens, I'm either ways gonna tell you in the coming this next part. And let's meet on the boot screen. And here, as you can see, the ROM is successfully installed. It writes done here, and we'll quickly click on reboot, and we'll see very soon a boot logo of Pixel Experience. So I'll quickly set up the phone, and I'll meet you on the boot screen, as this is a GApps build, so it might take me around 5 minutes to set this phone up. So let's meet on the lock screen. Here we are. We have successfully installed Pixel Experience Plus in our Poco F1, and I just changed the wallpaper before starting this part of the video. I just changed the wallpaper. It was a little bit of dark, so that's how gonna look like when you open it first. And as you can see here, it says unlock with a glance. That means it is having face unlock support as well. And other than this, the apps this time, they are going to open super smooth. Just have a look. These things, they are gonna open super smooth this time. And it was even mentioned in the change log that animations will animations will feel smoother now. And let's go to the about phone section and go to the Android section. As you can see, the security patch is of 5th of July, and the kernel version, as you can see, it's the Etude OP11, and this is whatever the kernel is. And other than this, obviously it's Android 11. Android 12 is not that stable for our device yet. And apart from this, let's see what they are having here. So we have a caffeine mode, super awesome. I just love this one. And in what color? Dark mode. Obviously dark mode support is here as well. And do we have a screen recorder? Let's see. I don't see a screen recorder here out of the box. Let's search it in the settings, and we are going to search screen KN. So I don't think so there is a screen lock available here. And one thing that is worth noting here, that this time they have removed the app locker. As you can see, it was having some bugs, so they simply removed it in this particular edition. Other than this, the navigation gestures are already enabled. You don't need to enable them, they're out of the box enabled. And we have fingerprint support, we have face unlock. Let me set up my face and see how, 1212. I'll just the password here quickly, and let's see how fast it works. So I'll set up my face. So the face setup is done. Let's see. So as soon as I click here, opens. As soon as I click, it opens. So there is a 0.5 second lag maybe. Other than like that's so totally perfect. Let's do a safety net test, if it passes by default or not, for the security enthusiast people. So here we are, and let's run test. We're doing live. So it as always, this passes on our Poco F1, and that means every app, all the banking apps are gonna work super fine. We do have a recorder section over here. This is a Google recorder, one of the finest recorder available in the market. All the apps are super awesome. There is no bloatware. You can see there is a Google camera already available here, that clicks decent pictures all the time. You can either ways download a Gcam, and that's it. That's how the ROM looks like. And obviously the animations are super smooth this time, more smoother than how they were used to before. Just have a goes like this. See, it's super smooth. And for the people who love custom ROMs but at the same time they also want stability, this is the ROM for you. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Do subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful, and share it with your friends who are tech enthusiasts and custom ROM enthusiasts. So bye bye, I'll see you in the next one.